I'm at Rosehill. It's a lovely property. It's a 3-bedroom cottage set in just less than 1.5 acres of ground. There's a children's play area up here, plenty of vantage points to look at the view, and there's a piece of land just down the lane, just behind, or just down the track just behind me, where there is a lovely little summer house to sit and look out onto the pond, and you've got a dog exercising area as well that's all enclosed. There up on this level you've got also the workshop. You've got an open area where you could work outside a little bit, but also you have a wood chopping area as well. Now if you want to find out more, you're going to have to watch the video and then book yourself a viewing. We're all very close here to the town as well, and all the amenities.